What's up, everyone? Drew, aka Catching Rockets here. This is gonna be real quick. I have roughly 20 minutes to chart up Spy, and so we're just gonna crank through this really quick. Um, I don't know if anything needs to be said. This was, um, sorry, I don't move stuffs when after I chart it. I don't mind moving it in front of you, but this was our entry for calls, and you guys know the levels from there. This would be your first trim, and then this is where you would be closing. Worked out perfect. Um, as far as anything else, like this could be considered your retest for shorts right here. I don't really expect that people might have got that, but um, yeah. And then you could have got faked out here, like if you tried to go long off the previous day value area low on the retest here. But yeah, pretty, you know, doesn't get much better than this. Called this to a T. Um, with that said, let's crank through this really quick. Um, Disappointed we never made it to this poor high. I was looking for it on NQ. We did get up there on NQ. Wait, did we? No, we didn't. Yeah, I was looking for it on NQ and it just didn't happen. I really thought when we were right here that we were going to come up and clean this up and go lower. Anyway, let's chart up Spy really quick. Not going to be paying too much attention to chat. I'm sorry. But I've got to get this done quickly. All right, so we'll start on 30 minutes. Session volume profile. Basically, my wife and I decided today that we're going to drive back up to Joshua Tree. It's like one of the last chances to see the comet. And there's, what's it called? They're saying that you can't see at this point with the naked eye. But, I mean, worst case, my son has a massive telescope. But there's not supposed to be much of a moon tonight, so I'd be really surprised if you can't see it with naked eye, with there being no moonlight, but we'll see. Pretty straightforward. Um, let's turn off TPO. So we have like I don't know. It really just depends on how you're looking at this. You could argue that this is a B shape. You could also argue that it's a D shape. Um, Looking kind of double distribution-ish. Hopefully you guys can see that. Um, but it could also just, you could just argue that it's this. But if you're looking at the actual candles, it looks more like a double distribution, like we have a B shape. Get this out of the way. Oh, excuse me. Slickmas, you're welcome. What's up, Brian Yang? What's up, Triple G? What's up, M Card? Um, for tomorrow, we would like to see this level here cleaned up. And it might not be much. Like we might get a bounce at the previous week POC. Um, Let me draw this better because I don't like the way that looks. There we go. If we're super lucky, they come and hit these single prints, but I really doubt it. And on the top, you know what to do if we tap these single prints. We're looking for shorts, right? Or puts. If you're new to the channel, by cleaned up, I'm saying that this auction needs to be completed by price going a little bit lower, and then look for a bounce, and that's where you'd want to get into calls. If they give this to us, this is where we want to, like, this would be ideal right here. Okay. Um, and up here at the top, if we tap this, you just immediately jump in puts. Pretty straightforward. No yawning allowed. Kendra, I just worked 5 12-hour shifts, and then, or I should say, I just worked 5 12-hour shifts in a row, and then came home this morning and traded, and then slept for, I think, like 2.5 hours. Because right now we're going to take my son to his guitar lesson, and then we're going to drive out to Joshua Tree right after his music lesson. The sacrifices we make as parents. So these would be ideal. Obviously, take any of these levels in between if they give it to you. Any of them, we're looking break above, 3 5-minute candles, retest, play it to the next level, or the inverse, break below 3 5-minute candles, retest, play to the next level. Okay. Okay, let's see. Oh, it doesn't say anymore. The annual premium. Let's see. I always do the yearly. Basically $600. But right now is not the time to buy. If you wait for Black Friday, they normally have like a pretty deep discount. I think like half off. And that's when I buy it every year. Stock Explorer, what's up? Oh, generally don't do requests, but earnings. Yeah, I have 10 minutes. We'll look at it really quick. I got to open up my software. Give me a second. The Stock Explorer has an interesting YouTube, or not interesting, that's not the right word, entertaining YouTube channel. Definitely worth checking out. I don't know if you want to drop your link, but you're more than welcome to drop it in the chat. I just realized, like, why am I even looking at technical analysis for something that has earnings tomorrow? All right, well, I'm going to trust the software. Let me see. I need to look at what the expected move is. I have to remember how to do that. It's been a long time. Oh, here it is. $5.39 is the expected move for tomorrow. That lines up close to what I'm seeing. So if we're going with technical analysis, which is kind of hard to predict, so the first move should come to about here. And then they're going to make new all-time highs. This is the range I would be looking for earnings. Okay. Peerless, the main differences that you're going to be doing for charting futures is extended trading hours on. Everything else will be the same, except for TPO. You use regular trading hours. Is it Asai? Asai? Asai. Yeah, I think Asai. Appreciate that. Thank you. I think I know who that's going to be. Is that Paco? Thank you, Lisa. Congrats on the win. What's up, Robin Hood? Yeah. Um, hey, what's up, Oliver Estates? Yeah, so hopefully this helps you out. Pretty sure, based on the what's up, PS? How you doing? Yeah, in Shorty's Discord, yeah, I try to go live every day. I did go live this morning. Um, but the levels were active. It was like what Trev's saying. It was funky today. Um, I got caught on the wrong side of things a few times. Green on the day, and I'll take that. With that said, like I have to run. Um, what Slickman said, hit the like button. Um, yeah, sorry, I know this is super short, but I wanted to keep the promise of trying to go live every day, um, and so had enough time to quickly just try to spy. Um, Levels should be good for tomorrow. Um, I've noticed people are sharing with me like that they're playing the levels. Um, Somebody today showed their entry and their exit, and it was sick. Keep it up, guys. Keep it up. Um, yeah. Fortunately, my first trade of the day was a pretty big win, and I didn't trade after that, but I stayed on live and kept calling out moves. But some of them worked out, some of them didn't. Um, but typically I do one trade a day, just like I preach. Um, I do trade a little bit. Sometimes I'll take 2 or 3 trades, but generally day to day I do one trade a day, and I'm done. That's it. I don't give money back. I don't try to make more. Happy with the slow grind up. Um, so with all of that said, best of luck tomorrow. I'll probably um, see you guys again before the evening time, but have fun tomorrow with your kids or whatever, family, trick or treating. Be safe out there. Have a good time. Um, if you, like always, much love to the people that are subscribed. Much love to the people that are always commenting. Everybody that's hitting the like button. Um, and then, of course, to the friends of the stream. Appreciate all of you guys. If you're new to the channel, I know we didn't cover very much today, but we try to keep it pretty real, teach the education, help people become better traders, and I think I try to be as transparent and as honest as possible. There's a lot of scammers out there in the trading community, so you have to be careful. But if you enjoyed the live, and if the levels are helping you, if the education's helping you, please hit that subscribe button, as that helps us out. With that said, much love, everybody. Much respect. Thank you, Slickmas. Thanks, Trev. All right, Krista, thank you. Thank you, Corey. Thank you, Oliver. Thank you, Kendra. With that said, much love, much respect. Peace out, y'all. We'll see you tomorrow, okay? Have a good one. Bye.